Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel IELTS with Hassan. So this video is gonna be about grammatical range and accuracy in IELTS. Well, these are very important criteria for scoring well in IELTS. And the IELTS test checks the ability of candidate to use a variety of grammatical structures and to produce accurate grammar in the writing and speaking. So let's talk about the importance of grammatical competence. Grammatical competence is crucial for clear and effective communication. Using proper grammar makes your writing and speaking easier to understand for the reader or listener. So let's talk about clarity. Grammatical correct sentences are easier to understand for the reader and the listener. And the other thing is professionalism. Speak and write like professionals. Good grammar indicates attention to detail and competence, and it makes a good impression on examiners. Now talk about the accuracy. IELTS examiners assess your ability to produce accurate grammar. Let's talk about the fluency. When you use true and the right grammatical structures, your writing and speaking will flow more naturally. So let's talk about the strategies to improving grammatical range. Well, there are several strategies for improving your grammatical range. It is important to study different grammar rules and practice using them. First rule is study grammar rules. Study the different grammatical rules that are important for IELTS, and there are many books, websites, and courses available to help you. Now, talk about the second thing, that's practice active learnings. You can improve your grammar through practicing active learning, including writing, speaking, and reading. The third thing is identify weak areas. You have to pay attention to the areas where you are weakest and focus on improving those areas. Number four is seek feedback. As a teacher or a tutor, for feedback on your writing and speaking to get constructive advice on how to improve. So the other thing is common grammatical errors in IELTS responses. Many common grammatical errors are made by IELTS test takers. These errors can result in lower scores and can affect the clarity of your message. There are many common grammatical errors such as subject, verb, agreement, tense issues, and articles. Subject plus verb agreement. Singular nouns need singular verbs and plural nouns need plural verbs. So other thing is tense issues. Ensure the verb's tense is correct for the context of your writing. Articles use of a or an before singular countable nouns, the before specific noun, and no article before plural or uncountable nouns. So now move to the techniques of enhancing grammatical accuracy. There are many techniques for enhancing your grammatical accuracy. It's essential to develop good habits and to pay attention to the details for grammar. So first is proofreading. Proofread your work carefully to catch and correct any grammatical errors. So second thing is grammar checkers. Use online grammar checkers to identify and correct any grammar issue in your writing. And the third thing is about practice writing. Write regularly to improve your grammar. The more you write, the more you'll become accustomed to of using correct. So let's move to the integrating grammatical structures effectively. Integrating grammatical structures effectively is essential for writing well in IELTS. This meaning using a variety of grammatical structures in your writing and speaking and doing it accurately. So let's discuss three sentences. First of all is simple sentence. Basic sentence with the subject and verb is used to call simple sentence. And the complex sentence is a sentence with one independent clause and the one or more dependent clauses. Compound sentences like two or more independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction. So practicing grammatical diversity in IELTS task. Practicing grammatical diversity is very important for achieving a high score in IELTS. It's crucial to use a range of grammatical structures in each of the four IELTS tasks: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Speaking. Use a variety of grammatical structures when speaking to show that you can express yourself fluently and accurately. So, the other thing is about listening. Pay Pay attention to the grammatical structures used in the listening test and practice identifying different sentence types. So the third one is about reading. Analyze the grammatical structures used in the reading passages to learn how they are used to convey meanings. So, last but not least is about the conclusion and key takeaways. Grammatical range and accuracy are crucial for achieving a high score in IELTS. It's important to study grammar, practice using a variety of grammatical structures, and to be accurate in the use of grammar. So, the first is study grammar rules. You have to learn the different grammar rules and how to use them. Practice writing. Write regularly to improve your grammar and fluency. Practice speaking. You can use a variety of grammatical structures when speaking. And the fourth one is, and the most important, is proofread your work. Take the time to the proofread your writing and correct any errors. So this video was about the grammatical um, criteria to how to use the grammar range and accuracy in IELTS. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel to be stay connected with me.